We'll guide you through how to use Blender shortcuts to speed up your workflow and make your 3D modeling tasks more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll notice the interface can seem a bit overwhelming if you're new. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Let's start with the basics. To switch between different editor types, you can press Ctrl plus the Tab key. This lets you quickly jump between modes like Object Mode and Edit Mode. When you're in Edit Mode and want to select all vertices, edges, or faces, simply press the A key. If you need to deselect everything, press Alt plus A. Now, for navigation, use the middle mouse button to rotate your view around the scene, and hold Shift with the middle mouse button to pan. If you want to zoom in and out, just scroll the mouse wheel. Moving on to transforming objects, you can press G to grab and move an object, S to scale it, and R to rotate it. If you want to constrain these transformations to specific axes, just press the corresponding X, Y, or Z key after the transformation key. For instance, pressing G then X will move your object along the X-axis only. When you're ready to render, you can hit F12 to quickly start the rendering process. By learning these shortcuts, you can significantly enhance your efficiency in Blender, allowing you to focus more on creativity rather than navigating menus. Remember, practice is key, so try to incorporate these shortcuts into your daily use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.